Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we will learn a very interesting concept, more and less. I hope you all will enjoy the class. Okay, so I'll give you some examples to understand the concept of more and less. ठीक है? So shall we start? I have some classes here. मेरे पास कुछ क्लासेस हैं. अभी इनको मैंने 2 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है. ठीक है, 2 डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स. सो आई विल काउंट द फर्स्ट ग्रुप 1 2 3. हाउ मेनी क्लासेस? देयर आर 3 क्लासेस. ओके, नाउ काउंट देम. 1 2 3 4. हाउ मेनी क्लासेस? 4. सो आई विल stick here 4. Okay, so which is more and which is less? This group is more than this group because 4 is more than 3. 3 is less than 4. 3 कम है और 4 ज़्यादा है. 4 ज़्यादा है, 3 कम है. I will show you another example. I have some sticks here. पहले की तरह इनको भी मैं 2 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर लूँ. ठीक है, इनको हम 2 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर लेंगे. देन काउंट देम. ओके, काउंट द फर्स्ट ग्रुप. 1 2 3 4 5. हाउ मेनी स्टिक्स? 5. सो वी विल राइट हियर 5. एंड काउंट द सेकंड ग्रुप. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many sticks? 8 sticks are there. Okay, so which one is more? 8 and 5. Which one is more? This one or this one? Right, this one is more and this one is less. Okay, because 8 is more than 5. 8 ज़्यादा है, 5 कम है. तो this group is less than this group and this group is more than this group. ये ग्रुप ज़्यादा है, ये ग्रुप कम है. because in this group 5 sticks are here and in this group 8 sticks. So 8 is more than 5. Now the next example is I have some spoons here. Okay, then count the spoons of first group. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. How many spoons? How many spoons? 11 spoons. Okay, now count the spoons of second group. दूसरे ग्रुप के स्पून्स को काउंट करेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many spoons? 7 spoons are there. So we will write here 7. Okay, so which one is more and which one is less? This is less and this is more. ये ज़्यादा है और ये कम है because 11 is more than 7. 11 ज़्यादा होता है, 7 कम होता है. ठीक है, तो this is less and this is more. Okay, now I show you another example. Okay, I have some sharpeners here. Some are greens and some are orange. Okay, then I will count in same manner. पहले की तरह मैं इनको काउंट करूँगी. ठीक है, फर्स्ट we will count this group. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many sharpeners are there? 12 sharpeners. Okay, so I will write here 12 and now I will count this group. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So how many sharpeners are there? There are 15 sharpeners. Okay, so which group is more and which group is less? I think this one is more and this one is less. Am I right? Yes, this one is more and this one is less, because here are 15 sharpeners and here are 12 sharpeners, and 15 is more than 12. So this is more and this is less. Now I have one more example. Okay, I have some blocks here. कुछ ब्लॉक्स मेरे पास हैं, अब इनको हम काउंट करते हैं. सो काउंट विद मी. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. सो हाउ मेनी ब्लॉक्स? कितने ब्लॉक्स हैं यहाँ पर? यहाँ मेरे पास है 16 ब्लॉक्स. तो यहाँ मैं लिख दूँगी 16. ओके, नाउ काउंट द ब्लॉक्स ऑफ अनदर ग्रुप. दूसरे ग्रुप के ब्लॉक्स काउंट करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. कितने हो गए ब्लॉक्स यहाँ पर? यहाँ हमारे पास है 14 ब्लॉक्स. ओके, सो आई विल राइट हियर 14. ओके, तो विच इज़ मोर, दिस वन और दिस वन? कौन सा वाला मोर है और कौन सा वाला लेस है? तो this is, I think this is more, this is less. Am I right? बताइए. Yes, this is more and this is less. 16 is more than 14. Here are 14 blocks and here are 16 blocks. So 16 is more than 14. This is more and this is less. Understand? चलो. Our last example is these blocks. Okay, I have some round blocks, so I will count it first. Okay, so let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So how many circles? 10. I will write here 10. Okay, now count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. How many circles? 13. Okay, now I will write here 13. So which one is more and which one is less? Tell me, which one is less, this one or this one? I think this one is less. No, this one is less, because these are 10 and these are 13. So 10 is less than 13. 10 कम होता है, 13 ज़्यादा होता है. तो circles of this group is more than circles of. Okay, so I hope you all have understand well, but this one is less, this one is more. Okay, so the circles of this block are less than circles of this block, because these are 10 and these are 13. Okay, तो ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स थे जिनके थ्रू मैंने आपको मोर और लेस का कॉन्सेप्ट समझाया. ठीक है, आई होप यू ऑल हैव वेल अंडरस्टैंड वेल. ओके, आप अच्छी तरह समझ चुके होंगे सब लोग. सो रिवाइज इट. ओके.